Imléana fartaí 4 daoine óga agus 4 California ó Fórum na Nóg chuirt staidir a thuirt ar Boston, Massachusetts ar fé seachtaine. Ba éisbris cléchlaíthach an tarla seo a lig de ranfartaithe iad haon a thomú is star Heather Boston. Bualadh le pobl bunúthasatha áitiúla agus macnamh a dhéanamh ar a bhéinileacht cultúrtha chéad. Ba í an aim leis an tarla seo na nascanna dónda a chothu agus daoine óga a chumasú a dtí córáte a bheith acu faoin star, faoi cultúr agus faoi chóir hóisiilta. Rinn ranfartaithe taiscéalaíocht ar fud na sain chóirí aitheanta in Boston agus ghlac siad páirt is sesiún idir-gréaltha a dhéirí ar éachtaí stairiúla a bhfuil tionathair acu ar an taithí có-aimseartha go fáil.
14 young people and 4 staff members from Fórum na Nóg prepared for an exciting week-long study visit to Boston, Massachusetts. This trip was a transformative experience, allowing participants to immerse themselves in Boston's rich history, connect with local and Indigenous communities, and reflect on their own cultural identities. The visit aimed to foster global connections and empower young people to engage in discussions about history, culture, and social justice. Participants explored iconic Boston landmarks and took part in interactive sessions that highlighted how historical events shape contemporary society.
Thugann dé seo dúin mar daoine óga éis a eicil sa dón. Bhí má jabal de pieces ar star féin a ghlacu go Boston agus am a ceithigh bualadh le daoine óga eile agus fólam faoi star sacu.
This experience gave us the opportunity as young people to see a completely new part of the world. We were able to bring a piece of our own rich history with us to share with the other young people we met and learn about their history.
Ba cean duna buc pointí dúin na leachtar dheanaí at Ollscoil Mhór le rá Northeastern University ba thógó muinneann seo dúin a bheith glóirt os cóir Summer Land Scholarly.
One of our highlights was being able to give a lecture in Northeastern University speaking in front of a room full of American students. Really helped to improve our confidence in this arena.
Glacmuid páirt a réim se leathan de gréimhíochtaí sópra a thug déistún cultúr mheiriceá eiceil agus blásaontacha a fháil de saol an duine óga Boston.
We took a part of a wide range of thrilling activities that allowed us to explore American culture and get a taste of the exciting life of young people in Boston.
Thugann Turas seo déis iomlann ar dágrúpa ceangailt níos duine a thógáil lena chéile agus na hoibre. Ba éisbris ar nua é dúin a bheith taistil lena chéile agus ba aon céad ar éisbris mar seo a bheith ar fáil san áine áige géalaigh.
This trip allowed our group, Boston le Cóiste, to build stronger connections with each other and our leaders. Travelling together was a completely new experience for us and the first trip like this in the history of the Irish medium sector.
Let's make tonight the weekend. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna
It's Mission Jessie or
got no reason.
It's Mission Alien in the Toy Story. Mission Waiting. Mission Identical Beat.
It's Mission Home.
It's Mission Cider.
Danger. Mission Luigi.
It's Mission Cider Costa.
Ba cefní cean go deo agin ar an ihe hena a caiithmuid is Salem. Thraímuid go dtí iirsmlan aidir ólamid faoi de Salem Mitchtrals, star ihe hena agus críchimuid an nasc faoi star airnach sain. Gómuid buíchas ó crílas aige, thug fáilte dúin ag teachsaí agus a glacmuid hart ar Salem.
Our most memorable experience as a group was spending Halloween in Salem. We explored the Salem Witch Trials Museum, learned the history of Halloween, which resonates massively with the Irish holiday Samhain. We also had a lot of fun trick-or-treating, and a special thank you to Ziggy, who welcomed us to her home and helped us tour Salem.
I've been chasing so long, every right that feels wrong, rather be with you instead. There's
síl mar ihe hana dá Cóiste, bailí na céad mílte duine hana sráide le céilre dhéanú bhí dóise ceá agus breigearí le fearil fud na sráide agus ar nua na tintí aine a chur críoc ganda leis an lá.
Salem Halloween was incredible. We were surrounded by hundreds of thousands of people of all ages celebrating in the streets. There was dancing, singing and costumes to be seen everywhere, and a beautiful firework display was the perfect way to finish the day.
Fuair daoine óga deis cuairt a thabhairt ar an eagraíocht iontach suamix in Urthair Boston, áitriú córa acu ar an tábhacht cultúr agus teanga a bheith lárnach in obaráige éifiachtach. Háitin in ihe seo leis an grúpa a bheith ag bualadh leis na daoine óga eile ag dosa, ag ceol agus ag rint.
Young people got the chance to visit the exciting youth-led organisation Zoomix in East Boston, where discussions happened around the importance of culture and language being central to meaningful youth work. Our young people enjoyed meeting the group, dancing, singing and sharing.
Ar an lá dearnach bhí Turas an tiltte ag an grúpa ag páirt siamseach de Six Flags. Áiteáil siad am lena chéile ag buin sult agus ag chur críoc muochach leis an teachta.
On our final day, the group had a well-deserved trip to Six Flags theme park in New England, where they spent time together having fun and finishing the week on a high.
Turas a bhí an nach neamfa ach ar amháin sa saol, tá muid cóib buíoch a bheith páirteach den aistear seo ón tús, ní anhí muid dearmad dá a rial.
This was once in a lifetime opportunity, and we are so grateful to have been a part of this process from the beginning. We will never forget this.
Your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I couldn't give to you. Oh, friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'll find, I'll remember your shade. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Young people getting opportunities to engage in international learning experiences helps with their social, personal and socio-linguistic development. We believe this is evident for the 14 amazing young people involved. Building links, making connections, learning and sharing experiences has been transformational for all involved. We would like to thank our funders, the Education Authority, for this opportunity. May this be the first of many international experiences within the Irish medium youth sector.